Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Desertcart review, tips, and tricks. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, in this case, if you've ever looked up tech gadgets or electronics online and winced at the high markups on certain websites, you're definitely not alone here. Now, a lot of shoppers use a platform called what we call Desertcart to bypass those inflated prices. Now, think of it as a package forwarding gateway, so it lets you buy items directly from major stores in the US, UK, and UAE and handles getting them delivered straight to your doorstep. Now, the price gap here on cross border items can be pretty wild. So, for instance, now in this case, you can frequently find items like 1 terabyte NVMe's or SSD with external enclosure on this card for a fraction of what major online retailers charge elsewhere. Like for example, you can buy a complete computer here for less if you're going to convert it. So yeah, because international shopping here always has a few moving parts, are the best way to use the platform smoothly. Now, first is you may want to try getting what we call the Desert Cart Pro. Now, Desert Cart Pro here, so if you try to buy things casually on the side, individual international shipping fees and unexpected import custom duties can quickly make your cart way too expensive. So the real trick here is to try making the platform work for you is by basically upgrading to their Desert Card Pro membership, which costs around like 699 AED a year, so roughly around like $190. Uh, so that's the conversion. So it sounds like a hefty upfront cost here, but it's completely waives those massive per item shipping fees and handles the custom clearance for you. So if you're planning a few high ticket tech purchases or shop cross border a few times throughout the year, well, the membership easily pays for itself on your first couple of orders. Now, there are some shipping restrictions here that you may want to know. Now, the biggest rookie mistake people make is buying the pro membership, seeing a killer discount on a new flagship phone, like for example, some new flagship phone out there that people are actually that is trending right now, and hitting buy only to have their order instantly cancelled because your items have to fly across borders on cargo planes and aviation, and custom security rules are incredibly strict. So in this case, your order will get flagged and cancelled if it includes any of the following. So you may want to take notes about this one. So first is some dangerous or secured goods. Now, anything that possesses flight safety risks like flammable liquids, harsh chemicals, or even like items like drones, hidden cameras, bows, and knives. So you may want to avoid those. Also, some internal lithium batteries here. So this is the most common trap for tech hunters. So built-in batteries like those inside smartphones, laptops, power banks, or tablets are heavily restricted by airlines. So voltage sensitive components and aerosols are banned too. And also, we have what we call perishables. Now, you can't ship food, chocolates, plants, or dietary vitamins or gummies because they can easily spoil, melt, or get held up by agriculture customs during the long transit time. And also, fragile or oversized items here. So, massive, heavy boxes or super delicate items made of glass or ceramics are restricted because standard international sorting hubs can't safely process them, and also any kind of medical items. Now, prescription drugs or specific wellness supplements that haven't been cleared by local cross border authorities cannot be imported. So, again, take note of those. Now, what are things that you may want to take note here for success? Now, if you do mess up and buy a restricted item here, you don't need to panic. So, that's a card will just cancel your order and typically give you a refund or store credit. Now, to avoid the hassle entirely here, well, in this case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to audit the specs. Now, before checking out here, double check the product details for the size, the weight, and especially the battery type here. Now, also, if you're at if you're at all unsure whether an item is clear international customs, message the 24/7 live chat support agent here with the product link before you swipe your card. So they'll verify if it's eligibility for you instantly. And also, don't overload your cart. Now, avoid bundling a ton of borderline or risky tech items into a single order. So, piling too many gadgets together can automatically trigger security flags at the warehouse. So, it's much safer to space your purchases out. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.